Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss dangling pointer in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, a pointer pointing to a memory location that has been deleted, or when a pointer is pointing to non-existing memory location is called a dangling pointer. And this problem is known as dangling pointer problem. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the reasons of dangling pointer. So guys, basically there are three main reasons of dangling pointer. And first one is deallocation of memory, second one is function call, and third one is variable goes out of scope. So let's take a look at each of them. Guys, if we deallocate a memory pointed by pointer ptr, then due to this a dangling pointer problem arises. Now let's take an example of it. Guys, I have declared an integer pointer ptr and I am allocating memory to this pointer by using this malloc function. And guys, in the next statement I am using free function to free the memory. After that, this ptr pointer becomes a dangling pointer. Now guys, how can we resolve this kind of problem? So guys, we can assign null to this pointer. Now this ptr pointer is not a dangling pointer. Now moving forward to second reason, and that is function call. Guys, the pointer pointing to local variable becomes dangling pointer when local variable is not static. So guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the example of this function call. Guys, in this program I have declared a function int pointer fun, and now in the main function I am calling this function, and after calling this function fun the control is transferred to the function definition, and here I have declared a local variable x, and it actually goes out of the scope after an execution of function is over. So this variable x is not accessible outside this function, so the pointer p is pointing to something which is not valid. So in this case pointer p becomes a dangling pointer. Now guys, if I run this program, it is giving a garbage value. Now guys, how can we resolve this kind of problem? So guys, we can declare this local variable as static. So let's do this. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the value of x, and that is 5. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Guys, one more thing I would like to discuss with you. We have used a function flushstdn here. So basically we are using this function to clear up the input buffer. Now moving forward guys, now let's discuss the third reason for dangling pointer, and that is variable goes out of the scope. So let's take an example of it. Guys, in this program pointer ptr is declared in the first step, and pointer ptr is pointing to the variable ch declared in the inner block. And as we know that ch variable is non-visible to outer block, then pointer ptr is still pointing to same invalid memory location in outer block. So pointer ptr becomes dangling. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.